house update. Here we are. Currently, I've ripped out the wall in between the kitchen and the dining room. And we are in. We moved in yesterday after we dropped off Simone to MSU 2 days ago, and living in total chaos. So everything is here, everything's in the garage. Anybody want a stove? It's yours. August is freaking out. Stairs are looking good. Ripped out the rest. I need to do more sanding. I'm gonna put in some new shelves in the closet today. Welcome to our living room. We'll get it going. Of course, we have a big pile of everything out front. We'll take care of that. We have a rubbish day coming up. Right now, this is the office. And we'll get this cleaned up. See you later.